Getting a piece of breaking news, and now what we are learning is that the Law Commission of India will tomorrow finalize its report on the question whether the age of consent under POCSO Act can be reduced from 18 to 16. The Law Commission is currently of the view that the same can't be done. However, the Commission would be carving out some exceptions in this regard. So that's the piece of breaking news that's coming in. A very contentious issue is being mulled over by the Law Commission of India, ladies and gentlemen. And what we are learning is that the Law Commission is planning to finalize its report on the question whether the age of consent under the POCSO Act can be reduced from 18 to 16. I'm joined by my colleague Ananya Bhatnagar on this piece of breaking news. Ananya, decode this for us. What are the legal hurdles at the end of the day when it comes to the entire debate surrounding the age of consent under the POCSO Act?
Well, definitely, Ayushman, this is a very significant aspect that the Law Commission is actually deliberating upon. And very clearly what the Law Commission is at this point of time be deciding is that whether or not the age of consent, which is at this point of time 18 years under the POCSO Act, can be curbed down to the age of 16. Remember that various cases have now emerged out wherein, consensual relationships are taking place. And in a world where we are seeing live-in relationships and consensual relationships taking place for a long time, the Law Commission was tasked to actually see as to whether and if the age of consent could be reduced. This was a question that was also raised in the case of Nirbhaya, where juveniles were to be taken into consideration in cases like rape. So it will have a much binding on, in fact, merely on the rape laws, not only the rape laws, but also laws governing relationships as well. So definitely this is an important point that the Law Commission would be finalizing its report. What we've been told by our sources at the Law Commission of India is that the Law Commission is not in favor of actually reducing the age of consent to 16 years of age. However, it will carve out certain exceptions when it comes to certain category of cases, but that would only be clear after a final report from the Law Commission of India actually comes out. But very clearly, this is a very significant question that the Law Commission is deliberating upon and would in fact be giving out its final report. So we'll have to wait for that as to what the Commission is saying. But what our sources are clearly telling us is something that there would be consensus that the age of consent would not be reduced from 18 to 16. Ayushman.
Right. So a very contentious issue going through a legal debate when it comes to the Law Commission. Thank you, Ananya, for decoding that for us.